In this video, I will show you how to see how many hours you have played a game on Roblox. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on roblox.com. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to Roblox and log into your account. Now, whilst it's not actually a feature embedded into Roblox that allows you to see how many hours you've played a game, there is something you can do. So what you're going to want to do is open up a new tab on your internet browser and come across to google.com. Into the Google search box, what you want to do is go ahead and search up Robro, and what you want to do is download this from the Chrome web store. So this is going to be the top result just up here, so you can click the link to be taken directly to the page. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is press the blue add to Chrome button, and this is going to go ahead and come up with a confirmation. So you just want to go ahead and click add extension. After a minute or two, that's going to go ahead and add this to your extension. So what you can do is just cross this screen off, and then you want to come back to roblox.com and just go ahead and refresh the page. So once you've refreshed the page, the first thing you're going to want to do is verify your account. So you just want to click this option here where it says verify my user. You're going to see it appears in the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you've verified your account, it's going to refresh the page and you're going to be taken to something like this. Now, once this has been installed, what you can do is come up to the top right hand corner and you can see the Robro icon up here. So just go ahead and give this a click. By default, the playtime tracking should automatically be on. You can see there's some other features of this extension. However, you can see the option is here for experience playtime tracking. So you want to make sure this is turned on, and this is now going to track how many hours that you've played certain experiences on Roblox. So in order for this to work, you need to make sure you use the web-based version of Roblox, and that's going to go ahead and start tracking your progress. And that's going to go ahead and track how many hours you've played a game. So that is how to see how many hours you've played a game on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.